Alright, so for the interlude, put your records on, you're going to put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, and your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the D, and then your pattern is going to be like this. You're strumming the D, G, and B strings with the 1, 2, thumb 1 and 2 fingers, and it goes. Does that pattern 6 times. 3, 5, 6. Rest 4, 4 beats. 1, 3, and then it switches to a different chord, which is that bar on the G, B, and E strings, and then you're strumming these 4, or picking these 4. Actually, it's a strum. And then you're going to move up to the 7th and 9th fret. Your first finger bars the D, G, B, and E, and your ring finger grabs the 9th fret of the high E, and you strum that one. So you strum this one, then you take the ring finger off, and you just strum the high E by itself, and then you strum all 4.